Tips for weight management. Number 1, regular exercise. Incorporate regular physical activity into your routine. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. Number 2, strength training. Include strength training exercises to build muscle mass, which can increase metabolism and aid in weight management. Number 3, get sufficient sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Poor sleep habits can disrupt hormonal balance and increase cravings for unhealthy foods. Number 4, manage stress. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as meditation, deep breathing. Subscribe and follow on other social media platforms.
Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.